Picture this. You've just finished a long, tiring day on the Camino de Santiago. You've made it to your albergue, showered, done your laundry, and you're finally in that bed that you've probably been dreaming about all morning. You can't stop thinking about all those special moments you've had all along the path. You want to write them down, but you don't know where to start. And frankly, you're pretty exhausted and you just want to take a nap. I get it. I've been there. I've walked 3 Caminos now, and I feel like I've struggled every time to really mentally prepare myself ahead of the walk, but then also to figure out a way to capture those special memories I was making all along the way. So that's why I decided to create the Capture Your Camino Journal. This is something I wish I had on my Caminos, and I hope that you'll find it a helpful resource for your Camino. This journal is simple and guided with prompts to help you along all stages of your Camino journey. There are prompts to help you before your Camino, help you think about your goals, your intentions for the hike, help you really mentally prepare. Then there are prompts to help you very quickly every day in just a few minutes, record your journey all along the trail. And then at the end, there are also prompts to help you really reflect on the journey, think about what it means for your life moving forward and how you can bring those lessons learned in your day-to-day life. And there are actually 2 different ways for you to get your Capture Your Camino journal. So first is a mobile-friendly version that you can use on your phone via Google Docs. So you'd have to download the Google Docs app, but you'd be able to access it there. This is a great option for those of you who really don't want any additional weight in your pack. I'd say the other plus to this too is it's a lot easier to customize since it is a Google Doc. You can delete days, add other days. It's really yours to truly customize as much as you want. With that version, I did decide to include a printable version for those of you who may want to print something. This is a print at home version, so it does require a little bit of tech savviness with the printer and assembling it, and it may look a little janky. I'll just show you here this is an early draft where I was experimenting this with myself. So, you kind of just have to print the pages out and assemble them. I do include some instructions and tips on how to do this, but those of you who might not be as confident with your tech skills and complex print jobs, you may not want to do this. It's also, of course, like I said, just a little bit more janky. It's not as professional looking, but if you want something quick and easy that you can get in your email inbox ASAP, that you can still have something to write on that's lighter, this could be an option for you, and it comes with a digital version, so you would get both of those things. The other bonus to getting the digital and print at home version is that you get access to 2 special bonuses that I have created for you guys. This is the only place where I am offering these bonuses currently, and I'm excited to share them with you. I think they can be very helpful tools as you're preparing and planning for your Camino. So one is just a simple Google Sheet where you can really map out your tentative Camino itinerary, the stages, mileage for each. And then the other one is a Camino prep checklist. So this is really where I've brain dumped a whole checklist of different things that you may want to consider and do as you're preparing for the Camino, as well as links to various resources to help you figure those things out. I've intended this to be a very comprehensive place where you can go and really just check, make sure you have all your bases covered, and you can really go into your Camino feeling confident. So those are the 2 bonuses that are included with the digital and print at home version. And that version I am selling for $17 currently, and for the first week of the launch only, I will be providing my email subscribers and my Camino Solo Women's Facebook group a $5 off coupon code. If you're not part of that group or that email list, be sure to check that out so you can get that coupon. Again, this is only for the first week of the launch, so if you are watching this video later and it's no longer August 2025, then I'm sorry, you have missed the launch and the coupon. This is the only time you're going to be seeing this coupon for quite a while, so definitely take advantage of it now if this is something you are interested in. And then the second version is this professionally printed hardback. I know some of you really want something nicer like this that can really be a keepsake for years to come. So that's why I am selling this as well. In the US, this is selling for $27. Other countries, the pricing will vary by your currency, so take a look there. I will say, even though this is a physical book, it is pretty thin, as you can see here. It really wouldn't take up very much room in your pack, and it does weigh about half a pound or 0.25 kilograms, so keep that in mind. Obviously adds a little bit of weight, but it's not too much, so if you want something physical, this is absolutely doable. I will just flag that printing and shipping for this can take some time, so keep that in mind. Give yourself plenty of time to order this if this is the version that you want for your Camino. And I don't think of this just as a journal. I really think of it as your Camino companion. This is intended to help you prepare prepare for your journey, record all of those moments along the way, reflect afterwards, and do so in a manner that's really quick, meaningful, and intentional. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely click the link below to get your copy and start capturing your Camino today.